Dixie horns, model SCL 605 red. I'll leave a link in the description of where I got these on Amazon. We'll do a little unboxing here. This is from CNC Sales. It shows on the receipt and some information. Here is the relay kit, looks like. And here we have the horns and some extra packaging with a relay, I see, and we have the horn switch itself and the tubing, and we have the compressor. That looks very heavy duty, and it is heavy also. Looks like the last two horns are at the bottom of the box. So here's the complete kit. Now, first thing I'm going to do is cut the tubing into 5 equal sections, 1 foot each. So I'm going to mark the tubing. That's very important that all the lengths are the same, or I suppose the horns could go out of tune or something. I'm not sure about that, but it's important to keep them the same, it says, so I'll do that. And I've noticed on YouTube I've listened to different kits, and there's some out there that are out of tune sounding. So we'll see how this one works out. So there's my 5 equal sections that will hook up to the compressor here. Now, if you'll notice on the compressor, there's colored rings around each output of the compressor. So you want to match up the colors to the rings that are on the horn. Here's a yellow, and I'll hook the tubing up and match the colors. Now, there are these clamps that can go around each tube to secure them, which I will add when I do the permanent installation in my vehicle this spring or summer when it warms up. It's winter time now, but for now, testing on the bench, I'm just going to hook them up without those. So I have the tubes hooked up like it shows in the diagram. We're good there. Now I'll move down to the wiring diagram, which is very simple. So I'm not even going to explain all that. The diagram is very simple. It's easy to hook up. So I'll go ahead and get that hooked up. There's an extra bag of parts for the permanent installation. So they got you covered there. So I'm going to go ahead and hook this all up now. As per the diagram, I should have a little heavier gauge clip lead here, but we'll try it on the bench. Alright, I just have it hooked up on the workbench temporarily just to test it before it's installed in a vehicle. So I have the diagram all hooked up just the way they show it, and I'm going to connect the horn button to the ground on my power supply. And this is kind of loud, so watch your ears. There it is, the Dixie horn kit. Thanks for watching. I am Radio Ham Guy on YouTube.